stubborn, eh?
Just kicked him out. In some trouble now.
Oh.
Don't know what to do.
I wonder why that egghead don't shut that water off.
Hey, I saw a guy shut the water off once in the front yard.
When I want your advice, I'll ask for it. Hey, go out in the front yard and shut the water off. Hey, what's going on here? Hey!
Got to pop the mess out of his
Turn me
back.
loose!
My gosh.
Why, you?
I'm out. This guy. He's just destroying the house. He's doing something. Wait, what the heck? This guy just locked himself in.
Hey, Mo! Hey, Larry! I got him surrounded!
He don't know what to do.
I gotta get this water out!
Hey, look at this guy.
You're ruining them all.
Destroying the
Don't
yard.
tell me how to run my business. Beat it.
Put that sod back where it belongs.
Who said you need brains to be a plumber?
Oh my gosh. 3 men that shouldn't have been hired in the first place come to your house and destroy it. Oh my gosh. Fake plumbers.
Hey! Shut it off! Plug it up! Off! Don't you hear what I said? This ain't a house, it's a sieve! Why, you lame brain, you! Look what you did to the pipe!
My gosh. This guy didn't fail through the whole floor.
Go on, get another piece of pipe!
I resent that!
What are you gonna do about it?
Get another piece of pipe, will you?
What are you doing, man?
Hey, no wonder the water don't work.
Well, that's the conclusion he came to.
The pipe is plugged up with wires.
A fine place for wires. Well, drag him out of there and get that pipe in here.
Like